Utie oha echi ponkno. Needs FM.
As miniaba. Who say answer na me take wodie no. E wo se me tete niam bi firi oto. Me se kwatrekwa so be ma onto atie ne din. Ye wo krom ha e na party bi. E manifesto mo promise ye say National Health Insurance no ye betua 110 premium. Utua ba ko a untua biem kosi so obewu. Me pa cho kosi sen. And ne yeti kroma yesi maternity leave your policy. Ye be dada Ghana for say ye bomo mo kwan no mo ba ban mu a national health no so utua 5 cedi a untua bi biem e na Ghana for ye ti o masem ne to abamo. Me pa cho 8 years don bedi wa ban mu no national health ye tua 110 premium bi. Na me person ka ye argument no ye based on fact, figures and policies and programs. But here na me na to for baby. Excavator. Yenti kroma na Ghana buying local government koto excavator edema company be engineers and planners say obi ni adia. So of entity got the money of juju kwan so. So excavators never ayin. Kroma ya na ewo. Yenko baby em say near o man peni that kan ye hopa em say Ghana for enche ni refi. Ye the local government Ghana sika koto excavators be bri the ebe ma company ba ko twem. So of entity got it mu. Owie no sen charging as if excavators near Nadia. Yenti krom ha and a World Bank of Wankasa any letter by say your economy it is one of the best and resilient into your boy home day. It is restrictions normally 2 years so say yenti mean for public sector workers no o ma ye free o yem fankrofo. Ghana for mesremo. Me sit 20th December bato na mokoto no. Eye Okada manifesto against free SHS and delivering development manifesto. It is against railway development. Kromha and no railways are here Kromha lines. Every corner of this country is seeing development. I'm Oman Kasankasa party ni kuku dambi ko try home picture edane adabraka. When you are voting and you are giving the ballot paper, you will see development, free SHS, development of our rail sector, building of new Buankra port, building industries in the district. As against legalization of Okada and 1 month more maternity leave. It is your choice. Many aba ubusam say then 2020 ye be. You see agrobe so a ifri anopa. Hwe oman yi baby e free ni baby e dia beduro. His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo eso Ghana man. Hwe niam odi atoto akwem. You start yes no ye pese Ghana ni bia the basic educational level also onya e free no also ko senior high. At least the basic. Ye wie ni hu say nkola ni bi wie senior high na omo entry into universities no ebi mo ebe problem amom enti sadia sa loan na edima university students na ehia guarantor no obi oha ne mami oni papa ewu ebe din se ne wo fa bimpo ebe pese obe guarantee ama no enti ese da bi going forward no ehia guarantor bia na mum esan se me sha se me catch you say your policy bia is linked to each other esan se your national identification card enti ye de sa card no and never so Ediama alone because utie His Excellency Dr. Bawumia or say your national identification card number no going into 2020 will now become our tax identification number. Until who's a young man and a young woman now who invest now loan who we are or tax identification now through school no national identification number. Into start here Juma is the same tax identification number. Into salary bar is the same tax identity yet any problem. This is a government of vision and a government who really understand what needs to be done for its people. Ye free war, and His Excellency say, let us digitize our economy. Be bianya electronic because you say we are saying baby economy. Yet tina baby tina ye be ketchri. You hear ni address system ya system. We say to be ubutra ya metimi obuma GPS be boss see adem be kwa kodru. Say national health no. Yet linking to residents because the residents or digital address and
Nana 1 minute Godwin what the information be HMC see I said now can no me who is our information no more because we say one campaign strategy a one dey call grounds akwa adwuma but baby I can say one say intro crowd one you know no mo entwa ne we me hu bibia wo say me hu it is a wada roma meba who a ato ho eduru so anu akan akere That particular side no kwa.
Me person afemi to aso. Yen ko banking sector. Me nua enti ase ena nana do trimu ade. Ena nana do trimu ade. We are so who we are no dey echire no akan.
Getting the message across.
Echire no akan yes. Me see banking sector e wo ha yi. Hwe banks a nana do dan kwakufu ado. Etina asima ye hwehwe mu a Bank of Ghana said dabi ye nji omo license no. Enne na me read e bi report. Oyam be hye. Ebimo liquidity I say me fan say bank no de okika ne niam nyina bom a sika owo da ho say o de bebo ne ho bra no ebimo de ekọ into negative 68 million, negative 112 million, GN loans and service negative 112 million. Na chere say amanfo sika ni po a omo de ma wo no omo de beto ho no wadi enti aban sin da bi say ye tena ho asese ankrofo enkoso an operate na che say Ghana fo omo nyamfo mu sika nkoye no e de omo de ebeko even robbing Peter to pay pompo mo anye ne ye ama ekase ya beda ho na ban se menhwe ma Ghana fo ho nchire omo se ne menu eke me say as far back as 2016 2015 na savings alone yi ebi mu ko ombo so mu kwajo mu sika na omo nsanka then no ma ban ye fa
and dey me kai pa because na me brother back o save one mean to be more savings and loans needing oko an amount our we no anya
me see ebi
sign transfer as onko different
ebi mu pe 200 cedis impo yenti kroma no bi ko ba ku bi wo Legon ha police ni ebo ma me no poto because of 100 cedi a obeyi ni ba ko hospital what you say na aban a odwen Ghana for se da bi e wo se pe kwan bi so ni save Ghana for ntia na banks ni na ye withdraw license
now rap ma me chairman
ene e fa obi obehwehwe omo nsemu omo japade ne omo ne akika mbom na e se yebetimi aton bi e de atua Ghana for no ka aban ye wie no se okay se o se me fa saka no wo Ghana for ho na mo me fa in a form of bond se me nyesika me de beba ababeje bond no ene e hyehye mra no ena Ghana ban ehu se sesei bebi eduru no covid na asen aba bebom nti Ghana for epin nti o se kwan bia so kopesika na o ma Ghana for no nya bi enu kura ka ho nti na nanse NDSSI omo disburse over 600 million denti ye nuanom aye ka se lockdown bra obi anko hye dem obi o ha na bode no toto wo kwan ho bode no okofa no ebi a 50 cedis ototo ya obenya 80 cedis sa 30 cedis no didi the day essence ye ma ye ko hye dem because of covid nti no we edi ne capital no 50 cedis no enti na coming back to work no ay difficult maybe no ade na ye bie no ay online obi Ghana ni bia so ye NDC ni o so MPP ni o me constituency for the NDC for cry the benefit mu anopa no ma be sunlight e wo me constituency office because now ebi mu finding it difficult to go online into me MP ejema no ho e fa mabunu be 20 best na computer echi into obi a ba na fill form wi a no ma boa no ma enter online am NDC for e na be sunlight omo chairman bi kura yiri gba me pese me bodidi e be sunlight ni bi ene di sika ba mo osre odaka lo sasia no pe wi enwumre because nana do dan kosika no ne sake mi aban be na adwini nkrofo nsi ene me no kase for the first time in the history of this omaya yetimi we realize a constructive okruma we are turning this country and the economy into a first class country na be for policy and program papa alternative to our own no bra osimema maternity leave one month account na mama 1 week maternity leave is this a policy?
Oh
no, a policy ana. So I am telling Ghanaians and I'm pleading with them. Send your papa ne bed dada emre bi etwem. Say your man kwan a obema yetua national health one time pe. Your man kwan anya yi. Even free maternal care. His Excellency Kufuor de buy ombegu no. When timian sustain no and now say primary health be free. Sani pe yejinidi. Mesra kwatre kwaso obema ontoma muntie ni din o. Muntie ni dipa na sa brantie wei ani ni nuanom omo buka na faso
beda se
Ghana box site ye nananom de magya yen ye to aba mo lusu wie ye ade e be chiama ya so na nado dan kwa the God sent him 29 December was signing nyina de manenua
beda se chairman one
Utie oha extra punk no Needs FM